Hi friends, welcome back to Brian's Dino World. Today we are gonna learn a friendly dinosaur from Australia called Muttaburrasaurus. Can you say that? Muttaburrasaurus. The Muttaburrasaurus was as big as a truck and had a long tail. But what made it really special was the funny bum on its nose. It makes a sound that went HOOONK, just like a horn. Can you imagine it? Muttaburrasaurus loved to eat leaves and plants. It had super strong teeth to chew even the toughest, chewiest leaves. On sunny day, while munching on tasty leaves, it suddenly heard a crunch. It turned it around and flows. But it was just its friend, Minmi, a small dinosaur with sharp, pointy threads on its back. "You scared me," laughed at Muttaburrasaurus. Minmi giggled and said sorry. The two friends spent the whole day walking together, munching on tasty plants and searching for small snacks. Muttaburrasaurus even showed Minmi the best leaves to eat. As the sun went down, Muttaburrasaurus gave one last big horn. It was happy, knowing it been a fun day with its best friend. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoy learning about Muttaburrasaurus and its adventures. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Brian's Dino World for more awesome dinosaur stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.